Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and today is an Amazon find. I was searching the deals on Amazon and saw that they had some Martha Stewart shears that were normally like $45 or $50 or something like that, and they were on sale for 10, which is not a bad price for some shears. So I recommend that if you can find them and they're still on sale for 10, it'd be a good thing to get. Depends on how long it takes me to upload this video. So hopefully by the time this goes up, maybe they're still on sale, maybe not. But I always keep an eye out for garden. I have alerts for garden deals, and then there's a tip that I will give that there are sites like BrickSeek that allow you to put a search criteria for things that you're interested in, and they will send you alerts into your email if something that fits that criteria goes on sale. So anytime something garden related and garden tools goes on sale, like at Amazon, I get an alert. And then there are wonderful people like Erica from My Five Family that will tell you Amazon deals and stuff as well. So there are ways to find good deals. So I'm really proud that I found that this item that was normally $50, I got for 10. And it's very sturdy, heavy duty. Yeah, I'll open it. I was thinking maybe I'd give it away, but nah. Open it up. So there's all this stuff that comes with it, of course. And here are the shears. And the cool thing about them is not only do you get the shears, they come with a belt loop holder for the shears, a genuine leather holder for the shears. So let me take a look at these. I'll take them out of their bag. They come in a bag. So the nice thing I like about these, put this here. Nice thing I like about these is that the opening mechanism is on the bottom, which makes it pretty handy. Oh, they're nice. Got a nice smooth action. Let me see. I'll cut a little piece of the plant out there. That's a lemon balm leaf. Ah, it smells so good. My favorite thing. Some of my friends say it smells like pledge, but I like it. So yeah, it's pretty heavy duty. Very sharp. Don't want to cut myself. So close her back up. So it's that simple. So you could probably just do it with your pinky. Let me see. Yep. So I can open it one-handed. Let's see if I can close it one-handed, because some of them are nice that they have the thumb flip to close it. There you go. All right. That goes into its sheath. So that's that item. Get stuff out of the way here. Put my cool leaf over there. This is the other item that I found. These are, if you have an indoor garden system like the iDo, you don't necessarily need to use it just for iDo. Anybody who's a gardener knows that there are these outside kind of erector set type supports that they come with the rod, and you clip braces going across, and they're, anywhere from 4 feet tall, 2 feet to 4 feet tall. Sometimes I've seen some that are 7 feet tall, and they're used for trellising. Well, most of the year I'm growing inside, and I use like bamboo skewers and plastic rods that come with these systems. But this is a support trellising system that comes from iDo, and these are standard size. I'm pretty sure that will fit in any of your gardens. So let me check here. Let me try. Didn't want to open it just yet because I don't really have a need for it right this second, but I do want to verify that it is the correct size. So I could have just used my shears to cut the tape, which I should have to be more efficient. But I got a pair of regular scissors here. All right. So yeah, these are pretty much your standard skewers. And so these are small skewers. I've got bigger taller skewers. And then let me find a connector. And so the way it works is you have holes. Oops. You have holes in the deck of the unit. You stick in there, and then so you would stick the trellis here. Then you can go across here, you know, like the kids' toys, a little kids erector set, and you can put like one across here and one down here, and as your plant grows up, you can tie to it. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And I think it was like, I think she paid $10 or something like that for it. I don't remember, but it was very reasonable and definitely something that I can use. So yeah, that's really exciting. Right now I'm going to try to see if it'll fit in one of the standard, and it does. It fits any standard deck. And I'm going to find a standard size tube that comes with everything. So this is the one I've already owned. This is theirs. And so, well, that's pretty close. So I can use the standard ones you can get from anybody, and I can make an even taller one. So that's pretty cool. Put that back so my plant doesn't fall over. The things I do for you guys. All right. Get back in there, plant. Got a really cool variegated pepper that's growing that I did not plant. So I bought a fish pepper, and I believe either I got the wrong seeds or I have a variegated fish pepper, which would be quite awesome. So, all right, anyway, back to this. So those were my 2 Amazon finds. Got my toy erector set here to play around with. Got shears for the garden. You keep that outside for outside gardening because it's huge. I don't need it for inside gardening, but that's pretty cool. All right. So any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.